Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. So midweek na no, Wednesday. Our market dropped further today. Down 10.21 points or down 0.15% to close at 6,469.42. Value turnovers at 5 billion pesos. Manipis pa rin, no? So, all eyes on gold stocks today. Apex, Philex, but aside from that big volume on Nikl Asia and RCBC, as there was a huge block sale there. I think 1.4 billion for Nikl Asia and around 100 million for RCBC. RCBC malaki na yun because it's very thinly traded, no? So investors also are remain cautious ahead of inflation numbers sa US. So they're expecting to ease further, no? At least bumababa na yung inflation sa US, no? So same way with the Philippines, it looks like nag-peak na rin tayo, no? It looks like inflation already peaked. The dollar exchange rate also stabilizing right now at 55 something, no? Uh, and of course, so what's next after this is BSP is looking to pause interest rates, no? At least di na rate hike sa atin, no? Tatamaan tayo niyan, hirap ng uh, by increasing interest rates, BSP wants us to save, 'di ba? Ayaw nilang gumastos tayo kasi pag mataas ang interest, if the interest rates, if bank rates are very high, no, why would investor or why would consumer spend, no? They will just put their money sa banks and get 6-7% interest rates, no? And property companies will probably do an IPO. Why? Because of the cost of borrowing will be much higher. Instead of borrowing money sa banks, uh, let's just sell equity in the market. Ganun yung nangyayari. And there will be more property names who will list the next 6 months of Via Land and I think some unknown developers. Anyway, welcome to another lecture. Very muted, no? It's very boring, no? Congratulations to those who followed my Philex trade idea, no? Of course, it's a clear breakout na, no? But mining business is also flourishing. But unfortunately, commercial operations of the Silangan mine will start operating by 2025 the earliest. So nothing changed, no? Except that uh, investors are now more bullish because of gold prices, rising gold prices. When in fact, yun yung nangyari, no? When the traditional banks collapse, no? Silicon Bank Valley and Credit Suisse, uh, investors are looking for more alternative investments, no? So, naglipatan. They shifted to gold or gold producing companies. No? So, just be quick on this trade. If you are familiar, they just had a stock right offering last year wherein they were able to raise around 1 billion pesos. So stock offer price was 3 pesos and 15 centavos. And I think SSS has a 19% stake in Philex also. No? So if I'm not saying that it will not go up, but just trade this. No? Mahirap i-long term to eh. No? If you are bullish on gold, you just buy gold bars in Singapore. Yun. So, even Lepanto and Manila Mining, no? Naglipat na lang, Gold Rush, no? Apex is, I think, 2.6 na rin. Of course, BPI, MPI, Monde. Nag-rally lang, but ang lilit ng mga up niya, no? DMC, GT Cap, JFC, and Converge also dropped lower today. So, GMA7 after announcing some cash dividends, it's a disappointing dividend declaration keeps on dropping, no? Hindi pa nga ex-date yan, binibentahan na yan. Of course, people already started accumulating that as early as October. So, yun. Kumita pa rin sila dyan. They don't need to wait for the dividends. So what else? Emperador recorded a net income of around 10.1 billion last year, driven by strong whiskey and brandy demand worldwide. No? Flat ang earnings niya. By the way, no, si BPI nag-launch ng bagong yung app nila. No? So they urge its 6 million mobile banking users to transfer to the new app, which will allow the lender to make a faster drop and have a better ability to release new features. No? So nag-launching sila kaya kasama si one of the daughters ni Ayala. So there's a news today, no, about solar tanawan. So if you are wondering why Espinec is not on the news, it's because Prime Infra already acquired 100% stake in Solar Tanawan. It's one of those, compromise deal nila. Di ba dati nagka-away-away sila ni Leviste, nagkasundo rin sila. No? So yung joint venture talaga nila is Terra Solar. But yung Solar Tanawan, 100% owned na ni Razon. So Enrique Razon's Prime Infra will be tapping a Chinese firm for its Tanawan Solar Farm, which has a capacity of around 140 megawatt. No? So Razon's Prime Infra has partnered with Power China no, for the commercial development of this solar farm projects in Tanawan, Batangas, and Cavite. Of course, that project serves as an expansion of the 100 megawatt solar facility that Prime Infra had acquired from Solar Philippines. So they had a groundbreaking yesterday, Tuesday. So they're expecting this uh, farm to be completed by end of this year. So yun nga, this project no of Solar Tanawan uh, has this ESG commitment, environmental, social, and governance. So their aim is to develop and operate and help improve Mother Earth. So upon its completion, this project will yield annual power generation around 202 gigawatt hours that would provide electricity to around 80,000 households and displacing around 100,000 tons of carbon emissions. So, of course, nandun sa groundbreaking na yun, sa picture na yun, si Governor Mantanas and si Cavite Governor John Vic Remulla. So, congratulations to this project ni Prime Infra. Of course, Espinec is trading, hovering at overbought levels. So expect some pullbacks. And nagpo-pullback na rin right now. After that, several cross transactions ni Abacus Securities the past few days. No, it's now dropping. So pullback naman. So our passcode for tonight is Prime Infra. So comment naman kayo dyan ng Prime Infra if you're listening to this channel. No? Kumukonti na yung subscribers natin but tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo. Continue to make educational videos. Unfortunately, we don't answer questions right now until we reach 100,000 subscribers. So please help me grow this channel, share this channel. No? And congratulations to those Philex holders and Apex holders. So what else? Galing ng pick natin. We don't speculate. We anticipate. What else, no? FINMA is also allocating around 3 billion for capex this year, capital expenditure, which yun nga, they'll be focusing on expansion of the firm's subsidiaries. PAL, no? Sabi ng bagong president nila, no? Si Captain Stanley. Of course, he's also related to the family of Lucio Chan. PAL is now operating at 92% of its pre-pandemic capacity. We're now back at revenge travel is real. Revenge tourism. So, yun. What else? Sure Pass, we already announced this. Wala naman nangyari dyan. Hotel 101, we already discussed this. They also planning to raise money. So you don't expect some movements from Merrimart. Kaya nga binabagsakan, no, is busy. Injap is busy with this Hotel 101's expansion. And it's looking to raise via the VC route or venture capitalist route. It's looking to raise 5 billion pesos from that. So he's selling Hotel 101 to these firms, no, for the global expansion to reach more than 100 countries by 2040. No? So market is forward looking to the point na storyteller. No? Titingnan kung may kakagat sa storytelling na yun. So yun, not much activity. No? So Philex, Apex, Lepanto, all gold stocks. No? All gold companies. No? So just manage your expectations. Like what I said, second quarter is normally weak for equities for index names. Some index names are trading at what, 10 million value turnover. Kung consistent sila ganyan, sisipain talaga yun sa index. No? So, yun. So again, thank you very much for listening. Stay safe. God bless and continue sharing and supporting this channel. Bye-bye.